welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have just some random thoughts. I don't even know what I'm going to call this video, but I have some things I've been showing out. Okay, and I had to bring them to the channel. They showing out, and I had to let my family know. If you have these fragrances, pull them back out. Pull them out on your tray. It's not too late. We're not done with the end of the month, but these particular fragrances so far in the month, have been showing they okay. Moving on. First up, let's talk about it. This is not a fragrance. We'll get into the showing off fragrances in just a second, but I just recently picked up Dove, and this is the collaboration with Crumble. Okay, so I have a lot of different body care coming, particularly Native. Okay, so Native has 2 new collections that they rolled out at the same time, but I had to get it. So Native has 2 new collections. I will bring them to the channel, let you all know my thoughts. I'm still waiting on the package, so we'll see when that comes. But I was in Walmart, the Wally World, and I saw this lemon glaze, and this is the body scrub. Okay, so I do enjoy Dove's body scrub. You all know, if you're not new, or if you are, let me just let you know. Dove and me, we see each other, okay? And sometimes Dove wants me to break out. And so I can't use Dove's body wash all the time, so I have to use it like, go ahead and use it and then stop. And then go ahead and use it again and then stop. So I can't use Dove back to back like some others. I would love you all skin that, that you can take Dove. At one time, my skin could take Dove sensitive skin, but then sensitive skin started acting crazy. Anyway, the scrub works a little bit better with my body. Again, I have to go in, I can't do back to back scrubs with Dove. However, I was in store and they have a strawberry crumble cake. Okay, I smelled that and it was okay. I wasn't thrilled by it. I did not bring it home. I don't know. I smelled it and I'm a strawberry girl, but it wasn't all of that through smelling it. I probably should have just tested it to see how it works in the shower on my body. Maybe I'll do that in the future. We'll see. But by nose test, I wasn't thrilled. And then I tried confetti cake. Now listen, I was smelling it and I'm trying to smell the cakeness. I'm like, okay, let me try it again. I didn't smell anything. Cake, confetti, it just smelled normal. Like I did not smell anything. So again, those 2 I might just have to bring it home to test on my body to see how it works. But I will tell you what was the standout. This lemon glaze right here, baby. This lemon glaze. If you are a lemon cake creamy, icing creamy, ooh, type of person, you would love this. Smell it. Smell it. It smells so good. I wish you could really smell it. This smells really good. And this is, again, lemon glaze. When I tell you, you can smell the lemon cookie. You can smell the glaze in this. Ooh, honey, I wish I could get this body wash so bad, so bad. But I'm going to utilize this body, this body scrub. I'm going to utilize this body scrub and I will come back to you all. I'm going to do a lemon combination, and I will come back to my fam and let you all know how that worked out. Because I am loving this. So, okay, if you are in Walmart and you see these, the first one I would even smell and pick up and try is the lemon glaze. And then go from there. Because I feel like it goes left and down from there. So, it's my opinion, okay? Moving on. Next up, let's get into these fragrances that have been showing out, sis. I got 2 of them on the board because we just started out in this month. And so I quickly had to come to you all right? Honey, L'Intra di Givenchy. Y'all, when I tell you this lady had me take a picture, actually had me pull this fragrance up in my phone. She took a picture of it. She said, I'm getting this right now. Right now. I'm going to the mall and get this right now from Dillard's. That's what she said. This has been my friend that, I mean, I feel like, I've said this before, I feel like sometimes people that smell good all the time, you wear fragrances, they're like, oh, you know, you always get compliments, right? And so sometimes your friends and your people don't always compliment you because you always smell good. Well, honey, could nobody not compliment me with this fragrance, okay? My friend even said as I was walking by, he was like, Amber, like when you walk by, I smell you. You smell so good. He was like, I left out of the room and he went to like a case or something. He was like, Amber was here. Like, this fragrance, L'Intra di Givenchy, the Eau de Parfum, the original. I mean, I know we talk about the Rouge a lot, but let's come back to the original. Sometimes we got to go back to the old. We got to go old school. This has been showing out, and I don't know if she mad at me because she was in the corner. She was sitting on the shelf for quite a while. I don't know if she got an attitude or something like that, but she's speaking loud, and she like, don't you dare not wear me for this long. And I promise, I'm good. I'm good. And I love that this is very versatile, okay? You can wear this to work. You can wear this to church. You can wear this to an event. You can wear this to date night. Oh, you would get first date. This is first date worthy, right? You getting a second date after this, okay? You know, this is one of those leaves a lasting impression, right? Leaves a memory. Like, because if you walk away, the wind or your essence of you, it's still there. It's, whew, okay. And so the top note, and I'm not trying to be biased, because you all know I'm trying to tell you the truth. Well, I am telling the truth. But the first to the top of the notes, top of the notes, we have pear. I knew you were going to say that, right? I love pear. I know. But this has pear and bergamot, okay? We go down. We got some tuberose. So we have some white floral. We have some orange blossom in this. We have some jasmine sunback. And then base notes, we have some patchouli. We have some vanilla on top of vanilla. We have some ambroxan. Oh, yeah. And then we have some vetiver. When I tell you, this has been showing out and lasting, like 6-7 hours. That's all I need. This is so good, and you definitely want to overspray. And I don't think it's a turn off. I don't think you are coughing out the room. I don't think people are passing out around you. This is so good and pleasant. And the lady, again, she couldn't even concentrate on nothing else that I was doing. She wanted my perfume. She said, I need that, and I'm going to get that right now. Okay? Ooh, I wish I had a link to give her so that I can get something for suggesting it to her. But when I tell you, this baby right here, I have been wearing her back to back because the compliments I'm getting, I'm like, I don't want to let it go. I don't want to let it go. I want some more. It is so good. I would highly suggest, if you are looking for a versatile fragrance, a fragrance that has fruity, white floral, and that's going to cut through this wind and garnish you compliments every step of the way, everywhere you travel. Here you are. You left the room and here you are still. Stop playing. You better get this. And you can get this on Joma Shop. You can get this in Dillard's. You can get this at your everyday. I think you can even get this at Sephora. Probably Ulta. You can get this. Probably Ulta. Yeah. You can get this fragrance, okay? Add this to your wish list. I would highly suggest it. We have Valentine's Day coming up, and sis, if you got a good old Valentine's Day date, hook yourself up, okay? Moving on. And last but certainly not least, we have, are we surprised? Are we really surprised by this? No, we not. This is Perfect from Marc Jacobs. This is the intense version, okay? This is your almond lover, okay? Almond and vanilla lovers, please stand up, okay? She is so good. Now, I will say, this is a different almond. In my humble opinion, this is bedroom worthy. This is out of the shower. This is that clean, fresh almond vanilla. You went out the shower, took all of your clean, okay? Clean test, you're clean. Glistening. Ooh, girl, if you don't get together and talk. Glistening clean. Is that even a thing? It's going to be a thing tonight. Okay. You got your robe on, and honey, you are oiled down, okay? You are oiled down with the brown sugar babe oiled down, okay? Nest down oil, whatever oil, skin potion oil, whatever oil you want to wear, okay? You're oiled down. You put this on top. Ooh, this is a fresh, watery almond vanilla fragrance. Oh, it is so good. It gives you, I don't want to say your skin, but better, but like you just got out of a luxury bubble bath and just sprayed maybe fragrant, but it fits so well with you. Like it's not you try too much intense. Like it's not I did something that I never done before. It's that classic fresh type of smell and feeling and luxury. Can I say luxury with this? Yes, I'm gonna say it. Luxury. And it's Marc Jacobs. Yes, that's what I'm saying. Okay. I love this. And she been showing out because people around me have said like you smell fresh. That's why I'm getting like you smell fresh. Ooh, you smell good. I've gotten that type of compliment. This is so good. But with everything, right? Foundation is taking a bath, right? Shower or whatever you do, right? But this takes that bath, that oil, this pre-setting game type of thing with your body care. This takes it up a notch, right? This is immaculate. It has been showing its tail out in them streets, okay? And I thought that this might get lost in the sauce for this heavy winter season. And we starting to see snow and a lot of things that I don't want to see. Ice and it's tripping around here. But I thought this would get lost in the sauce for the winter season. But no. This is amazing. So I would highly recommend, if you're looking for fragrances that you want to show out for, that even gives you a versatile setting, pick one or two. Pick both. Get them both out your collection. Put them on your tray. These are so good. They're classics. They're not new, but you don't have to go all new to be creating statements. Just go get your collection, okay? But these have been showing out, okay? Make sure that you let me know what are some fragrances that you have worn lately that has been showing out. I want to know, because I might need to pull that too, because clearly in this season, in my new season, it's time to show out. It's time to put the heels and do a little stepping. But they better be comfortable, because I'm not about that life. I don't want no heels that are not comfortable. I'm done with that. I'm not going to go flat. I'm not there yet. But I want a comfortable heel. Yeah, because I want to dance a little bit. I feel like you need a little move. You know, even if you're not doing all the, even if you're not doing all those TikTok dances, you need a little comfortable heel. Okay, that's just my opinion. Okay. Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough to, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.